Welcome back, babe. Okay, don't mind me. I'm getting ready to go to my doctor's appointment. Lord have mercy. We are, I want to say we're about 26 weeks. Woo! And I have not been updating you guys. As far as like actually posting content, I have been doing videos, but I have not put it out there. I want to apologize, ladies, dealing with this pregnancy. Baby was kicking my butt in the beginning. Like, I didn't want to do nothing. Plus, on top of that, you know, I have my own kids as well. So, yeah, I mean, life was just throwing. Plus, working call center, y'all know. If you know, you know, it's dead. But we are getting ready to go to the doctor's appointment. So I know you guys already seen this outfit, but mama been taking care of home. For y'all that don't know, I have moved to my very apartment. I've left because I was staying with my parents out in the boonies. It was nothing to do. We literally had like 2-3 major roads, and I mean, I didn't really go outside. I didn't really hang with nobody out there because it just wasn't my cup of tea. You know, I was just to myself all the time, and I kid you not, just being to yourself like that is just, you know, it's just not, it's not good because we're not meant to be alone at all whatsoever. But, yeah, I need to get, like, my hole in my ear is just not really big like that. And it's so hard because I have not worn nails in such a long time, y'all. Why is you playing with me? It's like you don't want to go. Don't want to go. See, I really didn't want to wear no big hoop. I just wanted something small. Okay. Got it! Damn. It took like 5 freaking minutes. I was gonna do some little makey makeup. Y'all look at my hair. It's just, I need to get a retwist. I just don't wanna. But them edges though. Them edges, baby. Yes. I'm gonna definitely get these updates and stuff going from now on, here on out. Y'all hold me accountable, okay? Like, baby, we need content, we need updates. So, right now, it's not the regular OBGYN doctor. We're going to go to the high-risk specialist because, of course, y'all know I did IVF and whatnot. So, with me doing IVF, I'm at higher risk. I'm not dying over here. Excuse me. But I am at higher risk for, you know, any type of thing. I don't really know exactly because I've never been done with IVF before, and I've never had a high risk doctor, but they just want to watch me because, you know, it wasn't like a natural pregnancy and whatnot. So we're going to check and see the baby. We're going to check and measure with the ultrasound. We're also going to have everybody's just calling me mom. Yo, good thing they don't have this number, honey, because I mean, y'all be messing up my content for real. But so we're gonna be checking, you know, with the ultrasound, and we have an appointment set up for the 3D ultrasound scan, and I cannot wait because I've never done one of those. But just to be able to see like the baby in full chunkiness in the belly and stuff like that, it'll be so cute. And then it's like, I think little after Valentine's Day, so it's gonna be like a good Valentine's Day for them and whatnot. But yeah, I cannot wait. I'm gonna update you guys. I'm about to go and grab me some food because it's technically my lunchtime, and you know, get on the road and go to this appointment. So I'm gonna go ahead exit out of here because I don't need to be running late. I like to be on time, especially knowing that I have to be downtown. And I live way up top, baby. Way up top. But bye. See you guys later. That's what happens when you're short. Y'all, I'm late. I was trying to be on time, but it was a stupid accident. You know how Atlanta people, y'all just can't drive. But yeah, I'm almost up here. Again, I cannot really document anything while I'm inside, so I will definitely be updating you guys when I get there, or after, I should say, after my appointment. But yeah, just letting y'all know I didn't make it safe. Okay, girlies, we are back. Doctor's appointment was a blast. I'm glad I had the tech I had today because, yeah, she let me record. Because the other one, it's a violation to record the ultrasound or have phones and cameras on and stuff like that. So, luckily, I got the cool girl. And she was just like, yeah, go ahead, just don't tell nobody. I was like, ma'am, you ain't got to worry about me telling this soul. But thank you. So, we got that in there. I had got some Instacart earlier, and I haven't had a chance. I only was able to put up my cold stuff and freezer stuff, so I'm gonna go ahead and put up the non-perishable stuff. Then I went back again after I picked the boys up from school because I don't know, it's just something about people picking up fruit for me. I don't like it. So yeah, I had to go to the grocery store anyway so I can get my fruits and stuff. So y'all already know how that is. I'm about to come on, join in, watch me. I get you what you want, but you want me alone. I'm on. You want me home. I get you what you want, but you want me alone.
These days, I'm letting God handle all things above me. The things I can't change are the reason you love me. Listen, you can hear them calling my name. I'm all over the place, I can't sit in one place. I'm not ashamed at all. Still finding myself, let alone a soulmate, I'm just saying. Feel like we one and the same, our relationship changed. That or it never existed. Whenever they say something about us, you will listen. But fuck what they talking about on your timeline. Let's cut it all into my time. Fuck what they talking about on your timeline.
So, all in all, on that journey, this is like a week later. Y'all forgive me. I'm really trying to get better with this recording stuff and editing and getting things up on here in a timely fashion, but you know, life does happen. Pregnancy is definitely a little bit harder than I thought. But yeah, so y'all watched me go to my doctor's appointment, and then not only go to my doctor's appointment, just kind of like reset my fridge and everything. So I thank you ladies for joining me on this video, and I can't wait to see you on the next one. If you haven't already, definitely like, comment if you have like any follow-up questions or anything like that, or just, you know, want to just give me some love and, you know, support for these video journeys. I'm definitely working on being better with content creating. So y'all just, you know, watch my journey. And if y'all have suggestions of anything like that, definitely let me know, because I am definitely all ears and I'm open. Hope you guys have an amazing day, night, whatever time of day you're watching this video. And again, thank you so much for watching and tuning in. And I can't wait to see you on the next one. Thank you, babes.